dog. As you know, he passed away on August 19th. So we're going to go see her. I think she's awake. Yeah, she is. And she is a husky. She's a mix actually. So she's a husky Labrador. And she's actually so cute. And her favorite toys are this like hippopotamus pumpkin, this crocodile, and this crocodile she likes, and this alien, or I don't know actually. And she really likes these, no wait, where's the other one? Where'd it go? And she likes these two balls. This one makes a loud noise. She likes to have this one, but she's really tired right now, so she doesn't want to play with it right now. But yeah, and my favorite part about her is that she likes to hug us and play with me and my sister, Maya. And yeah, if you want to see more, then